The art of whakairo or carving has been a significant part of the foundations of Te Wānanga o Aotearoa, and we're proud to be a leader and continue to innovate the learnings in this space. Our Maunga Kura Toi Bachelor of Māori Art Whakairo was designed to keep the traditional skills of Māori arts alive and was created for those who sought to become kaitiaki of the ancient Māori art forms. With this degree, you can focus on developing your skills as a carver, so you as an artist can enrich your life, the life of your whānau, and Māoridom for Aotearoa. Through this degree, you will focus on enhancing your skills and knowledge in the design and creative processes, creative expression, art techniques, and management of whakairo projects. You will use research and analysis, self-reflection and journaling to explore and understand your creative practice so you can fully explore your craft as an arts practitioner. This full-time 3-year degree is delivered through a mixture of tutorials and through collaborative working environments in Wānanga and Noho Marae. You will need to have access to an internet-connected digital device to fully participate in this program. Here at Te Wānanga o Aotearoa, we offer a range of free services including student support, program support, online tools and access to our world-class facilities around the country. For more information, see our program details online at twoa.ac.nz or come see us at one of our 80 sites around Aotearoa. See you soon, e whā mā.